How to make acetaldehyde, also known as ethanal. Warning: sulfuric acid is corrosive. Both ethanol and acetaldehyde are flammable. Potassium dichromate is toxic. Wear gloves when handling them. For this reaction, we need 15 milliliters of concentrated sulfuric acid, 18 grams of potassium dichromate, and 25 milliliters of ethanol. First, I added 50 milliliters of water to reaction flask and 15 milliliters of sulfuric acid. When sulfuric acid is added to water, it generates lot of heat. Then I dissolve potassium dichromate in 50 milliliters of water. This water was not enough to completely dissolve all the dichromate. Therefore, I transferred all the solid dichromate into the reaction flask. Then I took ethanol and added it into a separation funnel fixed into reaction flask and heat the solution by a spirit lamp. Then I slowly added ethanol dropwise to acidified dichromate solution. When ethanol meets dichromate, you can see the color change to orange to dark green color. That is because chromium 7 reduced to chromium 3. Then acetaldehyde is formed. We do not need to heat the mixture to high temperatures because acetaldehyde has a low boiling point of 21 C. Acetaldehyde has own pleasant odor. When I was distilling this, I could smell it. Here is the final result. I could collect only 7 milliliters of acetaldehyde and I will be using it for several experiments in future. I stored it in a fridge because I don't want to evaporate all my product because at room temperature acetaldehyde boils off.